Hey guys, welcome to Getting Geography series episode 6, where I'm going to tell you all about adaptations of rainforests. So, what are some adaptations of plants and vegetation in the rainforests, in the tropical rainforests? Firstly, when we're talking about leaves, the leaves in the tropical rainforests, they are either broad or they are waxy, leathery, or have hairy surfaces, and they have narrow downward pointing tips. As you can see on the picture on the left, this is one of the drip tip leaves, and the picture on the right is waxy leaves. So why must leaves be broad in the tropical rainforest? It is to help trees to capture sunlight for photosynthesis. And for waxy, leathery or hairy surfaces, it is to minimize loss of moisture through transpiration due to the high temperatures, so that they will have some water needed for survival as well. And for the drip tip leaves, it allows water to run off easily, especially in the tropical rainforests where there's high rainfall. And this prevents fungi and bacteria from growing on the leaves to ensure that the leaves are healthy. Next, on to the fruits and flowers. This is one tiny example of some fruits, and these fruits and flowers are typically colorful and strong smelling. This is to attract animals and insects for pollination and seed dispersal. You must know that in the tropical rainforest, it is very dense, so air is usually very still, there's lack of wind, therefore it is hard for wind, seed dispersal and pollination, so animal pollination is usually used. Now let's go on to roots. So there are different kinds of roots, and one of the kinds of roots is the buttress roots, which are typically 1 to 5 meters above the ground, and they support the heavy weight of tall trees. Especially if you watch my previous video, I talked about the emergence layer of the tropical rainforest. It is very, very tall, and those trees there can grow up to 30, 40, even 50 meters. So these buttress roots have to secure the trees firmly onto the ground to make sure that they don't fall. For shallow roots, which is the second picture below, it is for the tree to absorb nutrients quickly, because these shallow roots can absorb the nutrients from rapid decomposition of fallen leaves and branches, which are mostly found on the top of the layer of the soil, also known as leaf litter. Because the rainforest is very humid, so leaf litter tend to decompose very quickly on the surface of the ground and not underneath. So trees with shallow roots tend to absorb nutrients this way. Water is available throughout the year, so there's no need for roots to grow deep as well, unless we are talking about supporting the tree, especially if it's a tall tree. Now that's the end of today's video, and thanks for watching. For a comprehensive set of notes, head over to Carousel at this account and PM me the discount code in bold here to enjoy a $5 discount. Till the next video, see you next Saturday.